What does Allah Almighty say? We send down from the Qur'an that which is a healing and mercy for the believers. Healing. The recitation of the glorious Qur'an is healing. And again, what does the verse say? My beloved, it is surely for our believing servants. There is no benefit for the disbeliever from this. Those who claim to be Muslim but deny that the Qur'an is healing also gain no benefit from it. But for those who believe that the Qur'an is healing for both physical and spiritual illnesses, it is both guidance and healing. It is a cure for troubles. What is stated in the hadith narrated by Abdullah ibn Mas'ud, may Allah be pleased with him, cling to two healings, never abandon them. One is honey, the other is the Qur'an. From this, it is already clear that the Qur'an is a healing for spiritual illnesses and corrupt beliefs. It is already clear that it is a guide to guidance. But why is it mentioned together with honey when talking about the two healings? What is honey a cure for? Honey is not a cure for belief in the heart. Honey is not a cure for someone's beliefs outside of Ahl al-Sunnah, nor is it a cure for someone's shirk. Honey is indeed a healing for physical illnesses. Is that so? He says, do not abandon these two healings. What are these two healings? One is honey and the other is the Qur'an. He says, well then, since the Qur'an is mentioned alongside honey, it means it is also a cure for physical illnesses. Already what is said in the hadith. May Allah not give healing to the one who does not seek healing through the Qur'an. That is a supplication from the Messenger of Allah. Therefore, we must use our medicines for our illnesses as well. For example, I had corona. The doctors told me these 8 pills to be taken one after another, morning and evening. Did I not take them? I did. They said, you will take this injection, a blood thinner. Did I not take it for 30 days? I did. You will take these and these, antibiotics and so on. And now they gave antibiotics again. I'm taking them. We are doing all these things. But brother, there is also a healing called the Qur'an. What are you doing? Are you seeking healing from the Qur'an at all? You're not. Then your healing is not complete, that is.